Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Sumo for email capture and SEO easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Sumo for email capture and SEO, first, visit the Sumo website. Create an account by clicking on the Get Started for Free button. Fill out the required information and complete the registration process. Once registered, log into your Sumo account. After logging in, navigate to the Apps section on the dashboard. Select the List Builder app to create your email capture form. Choose a template that suits your website design and goals. Customize the form to reflect your branding, including colors and fonts. Set the display rules for when and how you want the form to appear on your website. To integrate Sumo with your website, click on the Publish tab. Follow the instructions to connect your website platform, such as WordPress or Shopify. For WordPress, you might need to install the Sumo plugin via your dashboard. Once the plugin is installed, activate it and connect it to your Sumo account. If you are using Shopify, you can copy the integration code provided by Sumo. Paste the code into your Shopify theme settings under Online Store. After integrating Sumo, return to your Sumo dashboard to adjust settings. Navigate to the SEO section to optimize your email capture form for search engines. Add relevant keywords and descriptions to enhance visibility. After configuring all settings, save your changes. Finally, test your email capture form on your website to ensure it functions correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.